is Kartika Jalani and today we will be learning about a basic braid. So without wasting any more time, let's just get started. For a basic braid, what you need to do is first drag all your clogs and clags in your hair, out of your hair by just combing it a little. And then if you want a partitioned middle braid, you can have a partition in the middle one or side or not at all. I like it with the middle partition, so I'll make it this way. Divide it into 3 equal sections. So hold the first section in your left hand, the other one in your right hand, and drop all the leftover hair in the center for the third section. Now what we're going to do is just grab the left section in between your first finger and your thumb and pull the center one in your left. Drop the left one in the middle. Now it's the middle one. Again, pull the right one in your left hand to the left. Again, pull the center one in your right and do the same. Left one in your right hand, pull the center one in your left, right one in the center, pull the center one in your right, and do it again and again. If you're having a longer hair, it's going to come in front. So after coming in front, there is a trick. There is a texture, like when we were doing it from the back, the angles were changed, the angles were different, and now these are different. We were doing it from above the hair strands, and now we have to do it from beneath the hair strand to have a proper texture and the same texture as which we were having at the back. So what we have to do is just pull down the center one from beneath the center strand, left one from beneath the center strand, right one from beneath the center strand, and go on. We are already at the end, so I'm going to just fix it. And to add some more volume to your hair, just pull out some strands and some flakes. Yes, this just makes it more feminine and more beautiful. This is the final result and I'm done with it. So like, share and subscribe if you like this video.